So it's almost what holiday?
Halloween!
Which means it's Halloween decorating season, and today we are
Decorating a hearse.
we're gonna decorate, no, not that limo right there, that hearse right there for Halloween. We gave that to our mom, remember? But she didn't really like it very much. So today we're gonna use it as a Halloween decoration. You're Chase, you're Kendall, that's our hearse, and today we're gonna decorate this thing for Halloween.
Carries thousands of dead people. Let's get going.
All right, let's see if this thing starts. We don't even know. This thing's been sitting here for a little while. I don't even know if it's gonna start. So far, so good. Chase is gonna guide us out.
This is a hearse. It's a hearse where people would drive the dead people in caskets to their funeral.
Let's take us.
And if you guys don't know what a casket is, it is a coffin.
It's a coffin. So show me how this thing works.
So here's where the people go. This is just a door to get in.
Yep.
And then down here is where you put, like, how you get the dead people in. This is how you get the dead people in.
Ooh, hasn't been opened in a while. And we're gonna try to decorate this today for Halloween.
Can I go in?
Yeah, go climb in.
I'm not going in there.
You're not going in there? It's a little spooky. Now the other day we went shopping. What did we go shopping for?
Halloween decorations.
So let's see what we have over here. No, leave it open. We'll throw the decorations in it.
So first we have this projector to go right here.
Yeah.
So it looks like there's a skeleton.
Oh, that's gonna be good. What else?
We have some Halloween lights.
Oh, some orange Halloween lights will be great. What else? A skeleton.
We have a skeleton.
Are we gonna make this the driver?
Yeah, we named him Jerry.
Oh, that's spooky. Jerry the skeleton. What else, Chase? All right, take all that stuff out.
We have some two gravestones.
Tombstones. 2 of them, right? All right, let's get them in the hearse and we'll take them back to the shop to get started.
There's one more in there.
Go ahead, put everything in.
Just to say, Jerry's 5 feet.
He's 5 feet tall. His
Yeah.
lights flash too, doesn't he?
Yeah, look it. And we'll show you the gravestones too. His eyes.
Oh, this is gonna be the best
And look at the
Halloween
gravestones.
decoration
Look
ever.
At the gravestones.
Oh, geez. All right, put everything in the limo.
Ready? That's not a limo. That's a limo.
Oh, in the hearse. That's the limo. That's the hearse. Why do we have all these things, you may ask? Because Dad buys a lot of weird stuff.
Very. And Jerry is dead, so we have to roll him in on the. He's one of the dead people who died in here. On these gravestones, they died when they were 36 years old. 31 years old.
I don't think so.
Yeah, look.
I think your math is off.
Look at 31.
I think they were, let's see, they were 66 years old.
66.
Yep.
Now it's
68, 69 years old. Put that in there.
That's 30 years.
60 years, actually. So maybe they're 59 years old. My math stinks right now.
Mine does too.
Put everything in.
I'll go get the other gravestone. Okay.
Is that everything?
I think so.
All right, throw it in.
Wait, no. Where's the spider?
Oh, where's the spider? All right, we'll go home and get it. All right, Chase, this isn't just a regular hearse. This thing makes all kinds of noises. Show me what's so cool about this. Go ahead. I hear a frog, a rooster, a sheep. Da-da-da-da. 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 They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all of the rookie, the Addams family. Ba-da-da-da. It was a graveyard smash. You know what I was thinking, actually? Would be kind of neat after we're done decorating this is if we turned it into a Ghostbusters car.
Yeah.
Because the Ghostbusters car was a hearse. That would be a whole other cool project.
A giant sticker of the Ghostbusters.
We could wrap this whole thing like a Ghostbusters car, put a siren and everything.
Yeah.
That'd be neat. All right, so I wonder, do we turn it facing in or do we turn it facing out? I feel like we should turn it facing out. So he faces the street. What do you guys think? Is it good here or should we turn it facing the street? They can?
They can see the driver right there.
That's true. Let me turn it and we'll find out real quick. We'll decide. So remember what it looks like this. I don't really know what to do, guys. You think number 1 was better? But look at it from this side of the road. It looks really good like a hearse from here. Don't go in the road. I don't know. All right, this way or the other way? What do you think? You know what's good is coming from the back, people can see the projector in the back window. I think it's good like this. Let's do this. All right, let's decorate it. Start with Jerry the skeleton. Put him in the driver's seat.
Skeletons always go first.
Do they?
Don't do that.
All right, so put that right in the driver's seat.
Whoever wants to do that.
You know what we should do? We should lift this seat up as high as it'll go. That way Jerry's nice and tall.
He's fine. Okay.
All right, try Jerry now.
Wait, Matt, can you pull his leg to get straight for me?
Yeah.
Next leg.
Here, so let's bend this leg like that, and this leg like that, and then you can put him right in the seat.
His head doesn't fit in.
Oh, did we make it too tall for him? There we go. Can you put his arms on the steering wheel? Let me see what it looks like. That's really funny. We're gonna have to tape him up or something. Shut the door. Oh my goodness, that is hysterical. Look at Jerry, our skeleton. That is awesome. What's next? He's perfect in there. I love it. I think we could actually lower him so people could see him. You guys are doing the projector right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
A few moments later.
What do you have going on now?
I'm trying to untie the cord
Okay.
so we can put this here.
I'm gonna go do the extension cord.
Yeah.
All right, so we have the lights strung up, but my question is you can't see it from that side, so maybe we shouldn't do it on that side.
Yeah.
You can't really see the spider because it's so dark. Let's see, what can we do with it? I know.
Oh, that's good. Red eyes.
That looks pretty good with the red eyes. That's spooky. And then where are we gonna put the gravestones?
Maybe one on each side, like one right here, and then one right there.
I think they should be like right next to each other, right there.
Maybe on the wheels.
That's a good idea, right in front of the wheels. All right. I do love it, but I think they should go next to each other.
Next to each other, it looks better. Right here? No, right here. Look.
Let's go. I think they should both face this way. Let's go like that, so they're staggered.
Yeah.
I think that looks pretty good.
I wish like the windows were more clear.
Yeah,
They don't want them to be so.
you're right.
This is our finished masterpiece.
I kind of like it with the tombstones on top.
Yeah.
But Chase, you don't think that's good? You're a good decorator, but I don't know, I kind of like it. I think less people will be likely to steal it.
Yeah, I like it on that.
3 hours later.
So hey guys,
Here's-
now it's us. We're checking out the hearse at the nighttime.
Wow, this came out pretty good. We need to light up, what's Jack Skelly? What's his name?
Jerry.
Jerry
Now
Skelly?
look at the back. Look at this. Oh,
Oh, that's perfect. Look at that.
It really came out good in the back.
oh yeah.
Wow, that is so cool.
And these are our friends. So
Oh, hey guys.
and Ethan.
You just made YouTube. That light is so cool. The strobe light made it that much better.
Well, because you can see the spider.
Yeah. Ooh, look at, I wish we could keep his eyes red. How do we do that?
There. There.
Do they stay on all night like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that's pretty cool. Look at the lanterns.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, subscribe and hit that